Hey guys, Aaron here for the Love of Tech, and a big shout out to the manufacturer Divoom for sending me the Tivoo to unbox, review, and share with you guys today. Stick around and find out what makes this device special in so many different ways. Inside, we got three things. We got a 35mm headphone jack cable, whatever this thing is, I don't know. It's Bluetooth, so we shouldn't have to use that, but if we have to, we will. I guess there are some scenarios where that comes in handy. Here we have the micro USB charger, which, you know, it bothers me. Technology coming out 2018, why we can't all have USB-C at this point. Come on, Divoom, let's get on board. Everyone else is doing it, why aren't you? Give us one cord, that's all we need. One cord. One cord to rule them all, my precious. This is it. This is well crafted. It feels sturdy. It's really heavy. Speakers. This appears to be a subwoofer type of opening. On the back here, we've got a power 35mm. Here's our charging port, and this seems to be, I think this was in the literature, it said a TN memory card. Not sure what that is. I'm going to research it, see if it's important, if it's worth knowing or worth sharing. Here, we also have a little channel button, a volume button, and a power button. Talk about nostalgia at its finest. We're going to go ahead and pull open our QR reader and see if we can go ahead and get a scan on that. There we go. Divoom, nice and safe. Opening it up, taking us directly to the Google Play Store, installing right here. So we need the app in order to make use of this, like most Bluetooth anything these days. So I got to come back here to the back of this, hit the power on until it comes on, right? Okay, so there we go. We came on. There it is. Easy peasy Bluetooth. Look at that. It all, like pixelated type stuff. It all came together at the same time. Not real. Oh, we changed to another kind of clock. So here's another clock. So we've got some, oh, look at this. So we've got some options here. Look at all of these options we have. It's like the options never end. We've got music, a mixer, voice messages, design, animation. It's hard to figure out which features of this I want to showcase for you. So let me just go ahead and share some of my favorite features. It's like a little mixer. I can mix music and sounds. So now I'm creating my own music. So there's no copyright striking going on here. I'm making my own music. So check this out. We're gonna throw a beat in there. I want to make sure everything's in the picture here. Give you a little showcase here. Some percussion. Some of that. Some of that. Some of that. Let's see what it does. It's pretty cool. Never get a copyright strike again. Mix your own music right here from this little guy. Tivoo from Divoom, or Divoom. Rolling the dice. Look at that. It's rolling the dice for us. Rotate knob to play. Oh, I lost, Astros. I lost. You can add these different cartoons to it. Let's take a look. You can just, boom, you can throw it right there. But let's get down to business, guys. This is a lot of fun, but let's get down to business. Does it sound good? That's the question. We need to know. Does this sound good? We just heard that. Let's blast it a little bit. All right, guys, we're going to test this out, and we're going to see what it sounds like. So we got it playing. Some no copyright music. Got it up kind of as loud as it goes on the phone. You see that. It's as loud as it goes on the phone. Can't go up anymore. So here this is. And this is the middle one is our volume button. You guys just heard it. It sounded amazing. There was so many things that this app can do. Let me just try to run through with you and share with you just a handful of stuff that it does, right? You've got your emojis. You can come over here and you can flip your emojis onto this thing. Look at that. You can just, whatever emoji is there, if they don't have it, you can create it. Who needs this? Who would buy it? These are the questions. Who needs this? If you're a music lover, you're digging Bluetooth, you want something, let's say, at the office, you want something on the nightstand, you want to take something with you to the beach, to the picnic, to the campgrounds, wherever you need to go, and you got to take something charged up. This is the device. You just heard it. It sounded good. The back here, this is the little subwoofer port. I could feel the wind coming off of this. So this little thing was pushing, right? That's my point. It was giving you bass. This was giving you bass. I give the Tivoo by Divoom 2 giant thumbs up. This is a fun device. It's cute, it's sleek, it feels amazing in your hand, it sounds phenomenal, it's Bluetooth, it holds a good charge, it has a screen, it gets notifications, it has games, it has a mixer, it has your calendar, you can do pixel art to it. There's just so much you can do with it. Just go buy one. I think you're gonna thank me for it. If you like what you saw today, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like what you saw today, give me a thumbs up, and don't tell me why, just shut your mouth and keep on going. But don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that way you get notified next time the video comes up. Just to let you know, we just wrapped up one giveaway. There is another giveaway coming up. So if you want to start to get additional entries into the giveaway and you want to start right now today and you want to do some social media shares, go ahead and do it. If you've been here before, you know what social media shares are. If you aren't, you got to go back and watch the previous videos to find out what they are. For the love of tech, namaste.